Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to get 3 random elements from the tree of harmony and turn them into a harmony energy gems. First, just tap on the My Little Pony icon on your screen. This one, just tap on it, and then next just tap on Harmony Tree Awakening, this one, and then next just tap on Letter Tracker, this one. This will track the rainbow letter and guide you directly to the tree of harmony locations. Just tap on it and then just follow the guide. And then just wait until you reach the tree of harmony. Like this, and then next just tap on this icon, the element icons, like this. Like this, you will immediately receive 3 random elements, and then now what to do we do with them? Just use those elements to water the tree. Just tap on these watering hand icons and then like this, and every time you help the tree grows you will get any rewards. Just tap on the little pony icons again and then just tap on the harmony tree awakening, and then in here you will get the rewards, any random rewards. Just tap on it and then another rewards, and then you will also get the harmony energy gems like this. These gems can be exchanged for harmony pages, which are super useful for progressions and rewards. So make sure you visit the tree regularly to keep collecting elements and farming gems. And these gems can be exchanged for harmony pages on here. So make sure you visit the tree regularly to keep collecting elements and farming the gems. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.